Hello viewers, let's see how to add or delete any available service in Android phone for quick access and completion of the task in shortest possible time. You can move it from left to right in case it has too many services, so let's leave it and click edit. And after clicking edit, we will once again click edit and now it will expand. Below are the fresh services. You can move it from left right, so let me click secure folder to add it. Now it has been added. Meta AI camera, let me click it. It also has been added. Now let me remove something from quick access, so let me click multi-control, click minus, it has been removed or went down, and do not disturb, click minus, so it's also has been removed from quick access. Now back and click done. Now let's go and check it, and the fresh 2 services which were added has been available. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.